a quick video tutorial on the television that's downstairs. It's a Samsung TV. So what you're going to have is this little center section right here, which is going to activate your menus. We're going to use the arrow keys. You have Netflix that you can log into your account, or the featured accounts for yourself, which would be your Prime Video, Hulu, standard typical smart TV setup. Hit enter. So if you have any further questions about the TV operation in the downstairs bedroom at the McCall Mountain Memories townhome, you can reach out to us. The number is 208-634-0030. So it's a fairly simple, straightforward operation. Go ahead, and if we want to switch away from here, we want to exit Netflix. Yes, we do. And that brings us back. And you'll go ahead and hit the center button again. And then you have the different options right there. So if you've got any further questions, you can reach out to us. Number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.